up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining bright.
Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we're making the simple crochet hairstyle. This hairstyle is very simple. I implore you to kindly watch this video to the end. I have one amazing thing I want to show you at the end. everyone, we're done with this hairstyle. Look at this simple do-it-yourself crochet. I mean, I'm looking so pretty. This hair, I bought this hair on Amazon.com for a very long time. I just kind of like washed it again and then reused it. I have used it like several times. It doesn't even look like it's been used. It looks new. It looks the same. I'll put the link to purchasing this hair on the description of this video if you want to buy it. This hair is awesome. Honestly, it is all shade of awesomeness. All right, everyone, this is wedding ring set from Willwork Jewelry. This particular one is called the Vintage Kite Cut Green Moss Agate Wedding or Engagement Set. This particular one is 925 sterling silver. If you browse their website, they have varieties of wedding and engagement ring sets you can choose from. They have 10 karat gold, 14 karat gold, even 18 karat gold wedding ring set. This wedding ring set is so pretty. You can see myself and my husband are putting it on. It's so awesome. Kindly patronize them and you have a very good value for your money. Thank you for watching today's video and see you again next time. Bye.